Since March of 2020, we have faced every challenge that has come our way. We stayed focused and united in our mission. All of us, especially our students, relied on grit and determination to guide us through the most trying days. A deep, heartfelt thanks to all, especially those who worked on campus during those early months of the pandemic. Last year, after a nationwide search that attracted many qualified candidates, we selected a new president to lead the Charlotte campus. I am so pleased to introduce Dr. Richard Matthew. We are excited for Charlotte's future under his leadership as we look forward to celebrating that campus's 20-year anniversary in 2024. What is guiding all of us at the Providence and Charlotte campuses in our daily work is accomplishing the goals we have set in our current strategic plan, powered by Purpose 2024. Launched in the fall of 2021, it is the first of 3 plans to achieve our 10-year vision for Johnson & Wales University. Purpose 2024 is anchored by 4 pillars that provide a sturdy foundation for Johnson & Wales to be known as an innovative and comprehensive university that prepares students for careers in leadership in diverse industries. Work in each pillar drives outcomes for Purpose 2024, increasing enrollment of new students and retention of those students currently enrolled. The first pillar is educational experience rooted in excellence. There are many ways we are working to further advance our university's reputation as an academic center of excellence to achieve new enrollment and improved retention. One way is through third-party validation we receive when we are successfully granted accreditation. The goal of the accreditation process is to provide an assurance of quality, as well as to elicit external perspectives to help us improve an institution of higher education. The College of Health and Wellness is well-versed in seeking and securing accreditations for the programs we offer. This past November, the bachelor's degree program for Dietetics and Applied Nutrition received continued accreditation from the Accreditation Council for Education in Nutrition and Dietetics, also known as Ascend. And the college has submitted a self-study report to Ascend for a master's program in clinical nutrition and dietetics. The physician assistant program was granted accreditation continued status by ARC-PA in the fall of 2021. And the university's occupational therapy doctorate program was awarded full accreditation in December of 2021 by the Accreditation Council for Occupational Therapy Education of the American Occupational Therapy Association. Work has begun to seek accreditation for the university to offer a doctorate in physical therapy. There has been strong interest from prospective students to enroll in the university's new accelerated second degree Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. We will welcome the first class of 32 students this fall. We are working aggressively to seek approval from the State Licensing Board in North Carolina and investing in labs and facilities and hiring faculty so that we can offer this nursing program at the Charlotte campus. The Colleges of Arts and Sciences and Engineering and Design are both on track to seek specialized program accreditations, as the College of Business pursues ACBSP accreditation. It focuses on recognizing teaching excellence, determining student learning outcomes, and ensuring a continuous improvement model. We are also advancing our university's reputation as an academic center of excellence through the introduction of new academic programs. Exercise and sports science and cannabis entrepreneurship were first offered at the Providence campus in the fall of 2021, and this academic year, we began offering operations and supply chain management and healthcare administration. At the Charlotte campus, health science and public health programs were launched in 2021. Planning is underway for exercise and sports science and healthcare administration programs to be offered in 2023. With the support of a 3-year National Institute of Health Research grant, the College of Health and Wellness has launched the Undergraduate Research Center. The College of Arts and Sciences has established a student research and scholarship showcase to celebrate academic achievements and share ideas. Over the past year, the university reached significant milestones in our history as an academic institution. The College of Hospitality Management celebrated 50 years of hospitality education. This year, we are celebrating 50 years of culinary education with a series of events that feature industry leaders, alumni, faculty, and students. We are also expanding our reputation in cybersecurity. This past year, the university was named a National Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense. This is a prestigious 5-year federal National Security Agency designation that requires high standards of excellence and marks the university as a leader in cyber education. The $1 million in federal funding that we will receive this year will help prepare the next generation of cybersecurity specialists and provide further training to the current law enforcement personnel responsible for cybersecurity. This academic year, we have been enhancing the student experience in many new and innovative ways, including JWU 360. This new initiative is a university-wide holistic approach to student success that focuses on 4 areas: nutrition and wellness, experiential learning, academic exploration and discovery, and social and community responsibility. A second pillar of Purpose 2024 is shaping and strengthening industries that we serve. From our founding in 1914, Johnson & Wales has been aligned with industry. That continues to be our strength and a key differentiator among our peers today. Through internships, industry-experienced faculty, partnerships, and community engagement, and the creation of academic programming to address emerging industry needs, the university is committed to the success of our graduates and business sectors where they are employed. Today, as industry demands well-trained professionals in the areas of healthcare, business, hospitality, culinary, and cybersecurity, Johnson & Wales is answering the call. We are proud to be the official education partner of TD Garden and the Boston Bruins, now in our 5th year. Purpose 2024's third pillar is a strong institutional foundation. Without a strong foundation, we would not be able to support the efforts necessary to enroll and retain students. Over the past several years, the university has been going through a strategic process to right-size facilities in Providence and Charlotte based on student enrollment and employee needs. Our debt has been reduced, our endowment is more robust, and there is new revenue to invest in Providence and Charlotte campuses. The university's fundraising efforts also have supported operational needs, and we are grateful for the 24% increase in the total number of alumni donors participating compared to this past year. The fourth pillar of our current strategic plan is culture and reputation. While our strategic direction calls for efforts to support gains in enrollment and retention, among other things, we will undoubtedly achieve success and positively impact our reputation more rapidly in a culture where we all have a voice, and as a community, we take pride in what it means to be a Wildcat. The employee experience surveys we conducted in November of 2021 and 2022 gave us important feedback and input from faculty and staff so we can strengthen the employee experience and our culture. Last June, we started the Chancellor Snack and Chats. These informal gatherings have given me the opportunity to meet with faculty and staff to discuss how they can fulfill the goals of the university's strategic plan. We are looking forward to having Snack and Chats start at the Charlotte campus now that President Matthew has joined us. As we again welcome the public to our campus, we continue to strive to be a campus that is truly inclusive for all members of our community. We are committed to be a university community that offers safe and welcoming environments inside and outside of the classroom, creating a community where all can be seen and valued. I commend the work being done on both the Providence and Charlotte campuses to elevate and strengthen equity and inclusion efforts to support all members of the JWU community. When we launched our current strategic plan in the fall of 2021, I made a commitment to you to provide quarterly updates to keep us informed and be accountable for the progress of our work. Last September, when U.S. News & World Report released its Best Colleges rankings, I was pleased to see the hard work of our faculty and staff over the last year being recognized nationwide. JWU is on the rise, and our momentum will propel us to reach even greater heights. We have so much to celebrate, but there continues to be challenges before us. Purpose 2024 has clear goals that have been further articulated in key areas, including enrollment, retention, academic and faculty excellence, fundraising, and operating results, that has been created to hold members of the cabinet and academic leadership accountable. Accountability is the key to our success and measuring our performance. In just 3 months, we will be graduating the JWU class of 2023. During their 4 years at Johnson & Wales, these students have faced unprecedented disruption in their lives due to the pandemic, nationwide social unrest, and an economy that is trying to find a way to avoid a recession. In spite of all of this, I know the future is bright for our graduating Wildcats because of the education and student experiences you have provided them in and outside of the classroom during their time at JWU. This is the transformative power of higher education, and what greater reward do we receive than when we look at our students as they cross the stage during our commencement ceremony. As many of you have learned, since I became Chancellor, I have used Forever JWU in my signature. It is an expression of my commitment to excellence in support of Johnson & Wales' relevant education for decades to come. It honors our founders, Mary Wales and Gertrude Johnson, and celebrates the future leaders and alumni of our great university. When I use this expression, I'm demonstrating my personal pledge to our work together and for my love and respect for this great institution. Forever JWU.